This is USL English Academy and today is grammar class. Today's topic is short answers. So do you remember that the teacher asked us you questions about the dialogue writing that you have written? So some of those questions are in simple present tense or verb to be. So I will explain you about these two types of questions. Okay, we have WH questions that we call it information questions because we want to know some information about the person or the thing that you are talking or that we want to talk about. But some other times we just want to know yes or no. So today I will show you how to answer yes/no questions in a short form without giving more information. So let's get started. So short answers. Usually we answer with short answers when the people or the person is asking us about something and the person only wants to know if it's yes or no. So you have to really look and pay attention what that person wants to know. For example, we have the verb to be in the question. I have here, is Beyonce from El Salvador? With this kind of questions, with the verb to be is at the beginning of the sentence. You have to use that verb in your answer. So for example, is Beyonce from El Salvador? No, she isn't, right? Nosotros podemos responder así, no, she isn't, sin dar mayor información. Solo decir, no, ella no lo es. Entonces, si nosotros queremos agregarle más información, es opcional, pero usualmente cuando usamos este tipo de preguntas son respuestas cortas. No, she isn't. In this case, it's no, she isn't. But you have the other answer that is positive. Yes, she is. Okay? Sí, ella lo es. Pero todos sabemos que Beyoncé no es de El Salvador. Así que tenemos que usar no, she isn't in this case. Another example is, are your parents here? Sigamos la misma lógica que la primera pregunta. It's with are. So we have to say if the answer is positive, in this case in the picture, yes, it's yes, they are, okay? ¿Están tus padres aquí? Sí, ellos están, okay? There is another picture here, en caso contrario, que haya otra fotografía aquí, podemos decir no, they aren't. In this case, our correct answer is yes, they are, right? And the last one, with the verb to be. Am I a newscaster? Let's see the picture. Oh, look at that. ¿Cómo responderíamos eso? In short answer, using the short answers. Right. Yes, I am, if it's positive, or no, I'm not. Look at the picture. Which is the best option? That's right. No, I'm not. Am I a newscaster? No, I'm not. En caso que usted sea, ¿verdad? You can answer, yes, I am, okay? So keep in mind, no damos información o mayor información si utilizamos este tipo de preguntas, ¿ok? Porque solo estamos queriendo buscar una respuesta de sí o no. So let's go to the short answer in simple present tense. So we have here, do you like diving? Okay, look at the picture. Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Alright, we use yes, I do, right? Because we're diving, okay? Ahora tenemos que mirar el auxiliar. ¿Cuál es el auxiliar? Nosotros utilizamos auxiliares para preguntas en el presente simple. Ojo, no en el verb to be, pero sí en el presente simple. ¿Cuál es el auxiliar? Do, right? Do you like diving? ¿A usted le gusta bucear? So if the answer is yes, you can say, yes, I do, okay? No le agregamos más información. No decimos, yes, I like diving, okay? Tampoco decimos, yes, I do like diving, okay? Porque es respuesta corta, yes, I do. If it's negative, if you want to say that you don't, right? No, I don't. Perfect. So let's go to the other one. Does Zara live in San Francisco? Look at the picture. Okay, which is the auxiliary? ¿Cuál es el auxiliar? Nice, does. Alright, so we have to answer that question with short answer using does. So we can say, yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. In this case, no, she doesn't is the correct answer, right? Because if you look at the picture, she is not in San Francisco. She is here in El Salvador. So, no, she doesn't. Does Sarah live in San Francisco? No, she doesn't. Let's go to the other one. Does he work in GSTV? Okay, look at the auxiliary. Look at the subject. Okay, how does short answer will be? Yes, he does. Alright, and the other one is, do we catch the ball? Okay, look at the auxiliary. This time is do. Short answers with do. So, do we catch the ball? What is the correct one if you look at the picture? Do we catch the ball? No, we don't, right? No, we don't. As you can see, we fell down. Nos caímos. We didn't catch the ball. Alright, so it's practice time. So remember, short answer. Don't give extra information. No demos una información extra, okay? Neither subject, neither al auxiliary y respondamos. Okay, do you have a pet? A pet? For example, a cat, a dog? I can say that, no, I don't. How about you? Okay, I think that some of you say, yes, I do, and some others, no, I don't. Perfect. The next question is, does your mom like fish? In my case, yes, she does. Okay, how about you? Does your mom like fish? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Outstanding. Okay, the other one is, are Zoe and Joe models? Okay, we have to remember the videos. No, they aren't, right? No, they aren't. And the last question, is El Salvador a beautiful country? Absolutely, yes, it is. Okay, yes, it is. Outstanding, guys. That was perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope this is helpful for you. See you in another video of grammar class.